All right, now we're doing 8Q Enumerable Magic number 4, True for None. This is by Bellmeyer, and 90% of the people like it. So we're going to create a method none that accepts an array and a function and returns true if the function returns true for none of the items in the array. And we're also going to return true if an empty list is what it is. An empty list should return true, like it says. Anyway, so over here, we could do something like this. We could say for, and we could say let I equal 0 while I is less than r dot length I plus plus, iterating through. And then we could say if the function, when we plug, r at the current index into the function, it shouldn't work. And if it does work, we're going to say return false. And if it doesn't work on any of them, we're going to return true. Just like that. And let's test it out. And it works. And let's check to see if there's any tricks. There's none. All right. And that's cool and all, but there's a way to do it with just one line, which is one little line of code. We could say const here, none equals r and fun still as the arguments. We have an arrow right here. And then down here, we could say r dot sum. And if you don't know about the sum method, let's get that up here. Yeah. Sum JavaScript. All right. If you don't know about the sum method, it tests whether at least one element in the array passes the test implemented by the provided function. It'll return true if in the array it finds an element which the provided function returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. All right. So basically, we say, let me show you the syntax we're going to use. We're going to say r.sum, and then we're going to have an element here as the argument for this method, and then the arrow right here, and then the expression doing what we needed to do. So we're going to say element like this, an arrow, and then we're going to say fun at element, just like that. So it's basically like the same thing as the other one. Let's test that out. All right, and it gives us true instead of false and false instead of true, as it should. So let's just put right in front of this the old not operator. Let's test it out. And there we go. And attempt it. And there we go. And submit it. All right. So you see right here, they used the regular syntax and they did what we did. They did what we did on this one. R.sum fun. You don't even have to do the element. Oh, that's cool. I should redo this video. But I'm not going to. Anyway, this is the coolest way. I'm going to best practice this one because mine isn't as good. So very much like it. Best practice on, not that one, this one. And we'll see you next time.